This is the blue list. Number 1, belt. When I got dressed, I made sure to put a belt in my pants. Number 2 is man. There was a strange man at Little Willie's house. Number 3 is sock. I found one sock under my bed. Number 4 is rabbit. The rabbit chewed the carrot. Number 5 is bug. There was a bug crawling across my paper. Number 6 is 6. There were 6 eggs in the nest. Number 7 is map. I looked at a map to figure out how to get to the school. Number 8 is slip. Look where you're going so you don't slip on the ice. Number 9 is bin. I need someone to put the lunch bin in the multipurpose room. Number 10 is rat. A large rat was found in the dumpster behind the restaurant.